Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your cabin air filter. First, ensure you have a new cabin air filter designed for your vehicle, along with a small flathead screwdriver. Replacing this filter regularly improves air quality inside your car and helps your HVAC system run more efficiently. This simple maintenance task can usually be completed in about 15 to 20 minutes, saving you time and money. Let's get started. To access the cabin air filter, first open your glove compartment all the way. On the right side, you'll find a small dampener arm. Carefully detach it. Next, gently press inward on both sides of the glove box to release the stops, allowing it to swing down completely. This action will reveal the rectangular housing cover where your cabin air filter is located, usually behind a small plastic door. Now, unclip the two retaining tabs on the filter housing cover and remove the cover. Carefully slide out the old cabin air filter. Take a moment to observe the airflow direction arrow on the old filter. This is crucial for correct installation. Then, insert your brand new filter into the slot, making sure its airflow arrow points in the same direction, typically downwards, towards the floor of the vehicle. With the new filter in place, reattach the housing cover, ensuring both clips snap securely. Next, lift the glove box and gently push the sides inward to re-engage the stops, allowing it to sit properly. Don't forget to reconnect the small dampener arm on the right side. Finally, close your glove compartment. You've successfully replaced your cabin air filter and can now enjoy much cleaner air inside your vehicle.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.